I've been exploring the Texas Lottery official app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Texas Lottery app is a free, state-backed app designed for adults in Texas who regularly play lottery draw games or scratch tickets and want a convenient way to manage their play on their phone. Its main strengths are practical, everyday tools. You can scan tickets to see if they are winners, check current jackpots, find out where and how to claim prizes, and locate nearby licensed retailers using an interactive map. For scratch-off players, the Second Chance Luck Zone is especially useful, letting you scan eligible non-winning tickets for promotional drawings instead of manually entering numbers. Users also appreciate being able to set custom notifications so they do not miss big jackpots or result updates, which makes it easier to keep track without constantly checking the website. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention periods when the app goes down for maintenance, temporarily blocking features like scanning and second chance entry, which can be frustrating if you are trying to meet a promotion deadline. Others note occasional glitches after updates that sometimes require deleting and reinstalling the app to restore the ticket scanner or fix layout issues. On the positive side, the app maintains a very strong average rating of 4.7 out of 5 from over 200,000 reviews, suggesting that most users find it reliable and fit for purpose overall. Overall, if you value quick ticket checking, official results, and easy access to second chance drawings, it is a solid choice for Texas players who already buy lottery tickets and want everything in one place. But if you need rock-steady uptime or get easily frustrated by occasional bugs and maintenance windows, you may want to be prepared for the odd hiccup and keep the website or a retailer visit as a backup. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.